My name is Walter Lanham. I'm from America, and I'm here for the treatment in China. Yes, I have polycystic kidney disease, inherited disease. Family members, uncle, mother, grandfather have all died in the past. My mother died last year, so I found out about this hospital here and did a little research, and they've been really helpful in giving me information and everything like that. So I decided to come because I like their approach with a little more of the holistic. And I found out 4 months ago, and I decided to get over here, and it's been really good. They asked me for basic information, and they got back with me, and I asked questions back and forth for about a month, and they called me, gave me phone numbers, personal numbers, very out of their way to help if there's any problems. Yes, and so I decided to. It was hard because a lot of the other hospitals don't do this type of approach, but the cleaning of the blood isn't addressed, which I thought was really something that should be addressed. It was actually probably after I gave them the information, they could come back to me and say, yes, we do treat the polycystic kidney disease, and this is the approach that we would use. It was probably a month or two after I got in contact with them, and they met me at the airport, made it a very easy transition to get here. Overly protective, for your health and condition. It's rather nice. They're very caring. There's always a doubt before you go anywhere and how it's going to work out, but they've been very helpful in working with any situations that might come up that I have questions with. If they can't find out for sure, they find out real quick and get back with you. Their whole thing is to be relaxed, be treated. They've been extremely helpful. Facilities? Oh yes, real nice. Clean. They clean like 3 times a day. I think they just go overboard on everything. It's actually much better than I anticipated. It's very nice. Yes, they have several people that can speak English very clearly. The teams, I should say, because there's like levels. The nurses, the doctors are great. They come around several times a day to make sure everything's okay. Make sure you do healthy things. Very protective, and their family environment style really comes through because everyone you talk to is pretty much familiar with why you're here, what your case is about, and how you should be treated and treatment. So it's very comforting. And the treatment, it's easy. I'm a little nervous with the needles and such like that. So, but they're very good about it. No pain. They tell me the schedule and they stick to it pretty well. And it's actually smooth. It's comforting. I'm only about a half loss of kidney function. So I'm not real bad as some of the patients who are here from around the world. I mean, they're giving some serious, very good treatment to these people. And I really don't think I'm going to see any majors effect or anything until several months down the road, because that's the rest of the treatment. The treatment goes on at home that you do yourself compared to just the 30, sometimes 40 days here. You still have to continue afterwards. So I think I will see better results because I'm not as sick as some of the people that are on dialysis already and really need some strong therapy. Yes, if we do the consultation at the end, we'll find out where everything goes and how it works, and I would have no problem coming back. It's real easy. It's not hard. It doesn't hurt. People are very attentive. So it's nice. There's a lot of worries that you may have you know, there's really not a whole lot. The hardest part is maybe getting your ticket to get here. So they're very accommodating. I would say if you have any associated kidney disease, not just polycystic kidney disease, do some research, you know, contact the hospital, and don't be afraid to come over. If you can do it, they have a very good treatment plan to help you, you know, further your life and maybe even make you more comfortable in life. It's definitely worth, you know, trying if you can make it here. Actually, I just want to thank everyone for making it nice, and you know, any situations or information you need, they get it to you, and you know, thank them because they're, you know, pretty much leading in this department in the world, and it's comforting to be able to find somewhere that may be able to actually maybe change your life, you know, and that will affect your family members and, you know, the rest of your, you know, just personality, everything. It makes you feel great, and I want to thank them for that because not everyone's doing it. It's a little risky, so they're doing a good job.